Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A30s smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can do hard reset or factory data reset smartphone Samsung Galaxy A30s. First of all, switch off your phone. Just long press this power button and click on power off option. Now you got to use power button and volume up button together. These two buttons are available on the right side of your phone. Just press them together to initiate hard reset. Just press and hold power button and volume up button together. Press and hold these two buttons for few seconds or reset menu will appear. If it's not appeared, then you can follow another step. Here in my case it's not working, so it started instead of reset menu. It has been started now. Go to the settings. Now go to the settings and here you can choose reset option. Click on about phone and here select reset. Select reset here and here select factory data reset. Now click on reset. Give your pattern for authentication. Draw the pattern that you set already in your phone. Click on delete all. Wait few seconds. Reset has been started now. Just wait. Your phone will be switched off and reset will be started. Yes. Wipe data is going on. Just wait. So buttons are not working. You can use your phone settings to do hard reset. Hard reset is going on and installing applications. Now you can set up your phone. Hard reset is completed. Just you can set up your phone like a fresh one. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Click skip wherever possible. You can set later. Click next. Here select accept. Accept terms and conditions from Google. Click skip. You can later sign in into Samsung account if you want. Just a second. Yes. Phone has been restarted and it has been set. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.